I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to disable two-factor authentication on Kraken, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Start by visiting the Kraken website and entering your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Once logged in, go to the account settings by clicking on your profile icon, then select security from the menu. Step 3. Find two-factor authentication. In the security settings, locate the section for two-factor authentication 2FA. This is where you can manage your 2FA settings. Step 4. Disable 2FAing. Click on the option to disable 2FA. You may be prompted to enter your 2FA code one last time for verification. Make sure you have your authentication app handy. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Remember, disabling two-factor authentication can make your account less secure, so proceed with caution. If you run into any issues, double-check the security settings or reach out to Kraken support. Happy trading!